All right, we're going to do something a little bit different today. You know, the past few weeks we've been working on place value and using our tens and ones to build a number. Well, today I have a little bit of a challenge for you. I am going to give you a number, and we are going to see how many ways we can make that number. You may be thinking, what? Don't worry, I'm going to show you and give you some ideas for how we can make and build a number. So this is called, you read it to me. Different ways that we can make the number 12. And I see we already have some hands up, which is great. And when you get stuck, I'll give you some hints, because I have many names for a 12. All righty. Josie, what's a way we can make 12?
10 and 2.
Very good. So Josie did an addition problem. She said,
10 plus 2 equals 12.
yep, 10 plus 2 equals 12. So we can say that as addition. Okay, here's the challenge now. Josie did an adding problem. So do you have another way to make 12 that's not an adding problem? So not 6 plus 6, 11 plus 1, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 0. Do you have a way that's not an adding problem? Willow?
13 minus 1.
Oh, Willow's going to throw in a minus for us. So she says 13 minus 1 equals 12. So subtraction is another way we can make the number 12. Okay, now it gets even more challenging because we have one addition, we have one subtraction. Do you have another way to make 12 that's not adding or subtracting? I know, it's going to start to get more challenging, but don't worry. Like I said, when you start running out of ideas, I got some up here. All right, Jens, what do you think?
1 and 2.
A 1 and a 2, like just doing the numbers, 1 and 2? Or writing out the words?
Writing out the words.
Okay, how about instead of writing 1 and 2, how about I do this?
4 times 3.
How about I do this?
4 times 3. 3. 1 times 2.
What does that say?
12.
12. So can I use words to make the number 12?
Yay!
Yeah, I used the words to make the number 12. Okay, oh, thanks for raising your hand. Okay, so now we have another challenge. We've already done a plus, we've already done a minus, we've done a word. Who's got another way? Liam?
4 times 3.
Okay, so a multiplication problem. So 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay. What else are you thinking? Bread? Do the numbers. So we've kind of got the numbers up there, the 1 and the 2 for 12. Tamia, what are you thinking?
6 times 6.
Oh, that would be a lot. 6 times 6 would be 36. Too much. minus 13 would be negative 3. So that probably wouldn't be. All right, Kaylin, do you have an idea?
3 times 4.
3 times 4, yep, that would be the turnaround fact for that one. All right, I see that we're getting a little bit stuck, so let me give you a hint. What did we just learn about last week on how to build numbers? Oh, raise your hand. Ridge, what did we just learn about last week?
Tens and ones.
Tens and ones. Could we use tens and ones to make the number 12?
Yeah.
Absolutely. We could go 10, 11, 12.
Oh.
We could use tens and ones.
It looks like 100.
It does look like a mini 100. Okay, what about, oh, here's a good one. You know, oh, they're not in here. They're in the room. You know when Mrs. McKenzie and Mrs. Miles roll the big dice to try and get, to see about prizes? Yeah. Could we roll a 12 on the dice?
Yes, yes.
Tell me what numbers we'd have to roll on a dice to get to 12. Thanks for raising your hand, Cooper.
6 plus 6.
Yeah, we'd have to get a 6 plus 6. Now, remember, I told you we already did addition. So watch, I am not going to write this as an addition problem. I'm going to draw the dice. We've drawn dice before, right? So there's 1, and there's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Does that make 12? Elevator buttons. All right, okay, let me think of another one. Hey, somebody who's sitting so nicely. Jordan, what's your favorite shape? Rectangle. Okay, Ferris, you ready for this? Jordan's favorite shape is a rectangle. I'm going to turn it into a 12. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Could I do a drawing that shows 12? Yeah, I absolutely can. I could draw 12 bald eagles. I'm not a very good bald eagle drawer. That's why I asked for a shape, because I knew I could handle a shape. Okay. What about, oh, Kaylin, do you have another idea?
We could use the months of the year.
Oh, a calendar has 12 months, doesn't it? That's right.
January.
Benjamin, what else?
Division. 2 hexagons because they have 6 sides.
Oh, I like that. That was a good one because I didn't think of that. Benjamin thought of that. He said hexagons. And how many sides do a hexagon have? So if I do 2 of those, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Could that be 12?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Deacon, did you think of another way?
Yeah. So you could make X's and O's.
Yeah, I could. I could draw like a picture up here. I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I could definitely do that. Hey, I know we haven't practiced too much about this, but is anybody good at counting money?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, how could I make 12 in money?
A dime.
Oh, raise your hand. Bryn, how could I make 12 in money?
You can take, you can get a 10 and then you add $2.
Yeah, so I could do a 10, and a 10, do you know what the 10 little coin is?
A dime.
A dime. So watch this. I'm going to draw a D for a dime. And then that's 10, and then what is the coin that are ones?
Pennies.
Page?
Pennies.
Pennies. So I could do this. So I could do money, dime, penny, penny would be 12 cents. All right, and I have one more idea for you before we stop for today. Have you ever played with, Camden, have you ever played with dominoes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Could I draw a domino that has 12? Okay, tell me what numbers I could do to make 12 on a domino. Jameson? Oh, hang on, friends. Freeze. Can you check and see that your eyes are up here? Who is... Thank you. All right, sorry about that, Jameson. How could we make 12 on a domino? So I could draw my domino here. How many dots should I put on one side? Okay, 6. And then how many should I put on the other side? Decagon, then what would be my two-sided shape? All right, so let's check it out here. Link, our challenge was to see how many ways we could make 12. We came up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ways, just plus the number. So 12 ways that we could actually make the number 12. Pretty cool. 12 ways to make 12. So in the next day, or the next time you come, your challenge is going to be for you. I'm going to give you a number, and you're going to see if you can come up with the different ways to make that number. Now, don't worry. While you were telling me ideas, I wrote them down. So we've got some hints here. So ways we could make a number are adding, subtracting, using the words, doing multiplication, drawing the tens and the ones, drawing dice, drawing a picture, drawing the money, or making dominoes. And there's probably more that we haven't even thought of.